Welcome. In front of me is a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, you want to find the toggle, which for me is right here in the notification panel. And once you do find it, hold it. This will take you to the settings where we can check if it's priority only, automatic rules, and simple black visual disturbances. So it looks like all the settings that we have. Now in the priority only allowance we have a couple more options, so you can see we have calls and messages, so who can call us and message us during this mode, with the toggle right here for calls. So if someone calls us twice within a 15-minute period, they will completely bypass this option right here. Now we also have toggles for reminders and events, so if you want them, keep them on. If you don't want to see them when the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, then turn those off. So anyway, once you set it all up, all you need to do now is simply tap on the toggle like so. Choose if you want to until turn off or for a specific amount of hours to be turned on, and click on done. And this will automatically enable it. So that is how you'd set it up. Now to turn it off, all you need to do is toggle it off like so. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.